field cultivator is a critical tool on many farms. This fall, I've already seen some issues being created by field cultivators that I wanted to address as they could impact the success of next year's crop. It's the topic of today's Iron Talk. Worn shovels can be a big problem on field cultivators. In the rush to get things done this fall, maintenance and performance monitoring hasn't always gotten done. In some cases, tillage is where the help with the least experience is put to work on the farm. However, the job done with this tillage pass will impact your yields next spring. Here's what to watch for. Visibly worn shovels lead to streaks and overall poor results. The first place we generally see shovels wear out is right behind the wheels. If you catch it early, you can still move the shovels around on the machine to try to extend their life. One switch that we made on our farm that's really paying off this year is going to earth metal sweeps. We've seen much greater life in the field under normal conditions, but with the dry conditions in many areas this year, it should help even more. One other thing to consider is the flowability of corn stalks and other residue through your field cultivator. We're seeing a shift to wider shank spacing and wider sweeps to accommodate this. Just make sure the pattern still does a nice job with light tillage and the stirring and mixing of fertilizer and pre-emerge herbicides to allow maximum crop growth and weed control for your farm. Finally, one other tip that's made a difference for us on our farm is putting shank extensions on right behind the wheels so you don't have to run the entire machine deeper to wipe out wheel tracks. Get your field cultivator in top shape this fall so you can achieve your yields and herbicide performance that you desire next spring. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.